So, I'm coming to you live from the Fridgeloceraptor's nest of doom. This is a very rare dinosaur that not even many people have even heard of. And it's called the Fridgeloceraptor. And it left its nest up above the fridge. And it has eggs in it. And we're going to steal them. So, shh, be quiet. We're going to steal its whole entire nest with all its eggs. And it's going to be really ticked off. But we're going to be gone, so you won't even know. No. You kidding? Stop. Gravity is not even working in my favor. We got it. Now it's just a matter of getting down without dying. And I just want to point out that my feet are really disgusting right now. But it's okay. They're really yucky. But that's the price you pay if you want to get the eggs from a Fridgeloceraptor nest. So, I got it. So, got you good. Nobody else can say that they've even done that, because I'm the only one. It's really yucky up there. Now I have to get down without dying. Are you kidding? I'm not even sure if I can do